Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Shamsher Fatehgarh Sahib was established under the aegis of Directorate of Extension Education, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana in April 2005 by Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi, for the services of the farmers in the district. KVK Fatehgarh Sahib is acting as nodal agricultural institute in the district. All the new recommended technologies are disseminated among the farmers, farm women in the presence of agriculture extension officers. This KVK is acting as resource institute for recent advances in agriculture. KVK tests the newly recommended and approved technology through on-farm trials and disseminate among the masses through frontline demonstrations and other mass contact methods like field days, Kisan Melas, Kisan Goshtis, special lectures and method demonstrations, etc. The district Fatehgarh Sahib is major producer of rice and wheat with high productivity of these crops. But rice-wheat monoculture has brought many environmental problems. The natural resources are depleting at faster rate. So this KVK has designed its training programs on resource conservation and popularization of other crops including pulses, horticulture crops, oilseeds, sugarcane, sunflower, basmati, etc. The farmland holdings in the district are decreasing, which reduces the net returns of farmers. So the farmers, farm youth and farm women are imparted need-based, skill-oriented trainings for subsidiary enterprise adoption by giving vocational trainings and method demonstrations on mushroom growing, beekeeping, etc. For crop diversification, trainings on horticultural crops, pulses, oilseeds are conducted. Farmers are guided for protective and off-season cultivation of vegetables under polyhouse, net house, low tunnel and in open field during low availability period of vegetables, for example, kharif onion, rainy season tomato, early cauliflower, etc. For conducting effective vocational trainings and to demonstrate the other new technologies, 2 demonstration units, Mushroom Unit and Beekeeping Unit are established in the year 2009 and trainings are given to the farmers for mushroom growing and beekeeping. The other demonstration units include farm machinery and vermicomposting units. These units provide knowledge to the farmers on the principle of learning by doing. Farmers with operational dairy animals are guided for biogas plant construction and its utilization. The farm women are guided and imparted trainings on enrichment of garments such as crochet, hand embroidery, detergent making, grass painting, pot painting, artificial flower making, basket decoration, coffee painting, mural painting, tying and dyeing of clothes, fruits and vegetable preservation, preparation of material for interior decoration, soft toys, candle making are given to add extra income to their families. Trainings on making nutritional recipes from sprouted moong dal like sprouted moong dal pulao, salad, poha are also conducted. As the groundwater level is decreasing day by day, trainings and demonstrations on judicious use of water by precision land leveling with laser leveler, direct seeded rice and tensiometer are also given. The laser leveling technology will not only conserve water and save electricity and time, but will also improve the judicious use of other agricultural inputs like fertilizer, insecticides, pesticides and weedicides. This will also result in uniform maturity of the crop, better quality and high yield of the crops. Results have indicated that it saves water and time to the tune of 25 or 30% and also improves production and productivity by 10 to 15%. The direct seeded rice in dry and unpuddled conditions with the help of direct seeder planter amply demonstrate the judicious use of agriculture water as it requires less irrigation water along with its reduced labor requirements as compared to conventional paddy transplanting. In the Kharif season, the demonstrations on use of tensiometer for water saving in paddy are given. It saves about 4 to 6 irrigations per season, and the demonstration on use of leaf color chart in paddy for nitrogen saving are conducted, which ultimately saves 75 to 100 kg of urea per hectare. The burning of paddy straw is a major problem in the district. Thus, The demonstration on happy seed are given by which wheat can be directly sown in a combined harvested field without straw removal or burning in a single operational pass by managing only that part of straw which is coming just in front of furrow openers. Farmers are convinced with use of this technology, which enhances their income also. An automatic weather station has been established at KVK Farm on 13th September 2009, and this station records data on air temperature, humidity, sunshine hours, rainfall, wind velocity, wind direction on hourly basis. One piezometer has also been installed at KVK. Monthly observations are recorded to see the impact of pumping out irrigation water during paddy season. As water in Punjab is declining at an alarming rate, keeping this in view, the KVK is trying its best for popularization of water-saving technologies. The KVK also conducts on-farm trials. These are conducted at farmers' field because of location-specific problems. Presently, the KVK undertaken on-farm trials mainly on cost and resource-effective methods of paddy cultivation to assess the different sowing methods of paddy, like transplanting of paddy with self-propelled paddy transplanting, puddled and unpuddled soil conditions. Also, on-farm trials on direct sowing of paddy with direct paddy sowing machine and nursery raising method on cabbage was done to assess the labor utilization. Owing to indiscriminate use of fertilizers, pesticides and high doses of chemical fertilizers, KVK has conducted programs for integrated pest, disease and nutrient management. On-farm trials on balanced use of NPK in potato crop, application of manganese in wheat and light soils, use of leaf color chart for application of urea in rice crop, seed treatment to basmati rice, testing of biopesticides for cauliflower and control of pests are conducted. The frontline demonstrations are being conducted on major oilseed and pulse crop at farmers' field to convince the farmers about latest production technologies to fill the gap between recommended and adopted varieties and encourage the farmers toward diversification and generate the feedback information with emphasis on believing by seeing. To guide the farmers for using recommended chemicals, fertilizers for increasing the crop productivity and returns, diagnostic services are also provided to farmers and extension officers are guided for the recent advances in agriculture technology. The National Horticulture Mission sponsored project on plant health clinic services has been started this year to give boost to horticultural crops and to promote crop diversification. In-service trainings are imparted to extension functionaries such as Anganwadi workers and supervisors to update the knowledge in different aspects of nutrition. Seed production of new varieties of field crops, pulses, fodders and vegetables are produced at KVK Farm to meet the farmers' demand in the district. In addition, this KVK is acting as a bridge between PAU and farmers for disseminating the technology and helping them to get new, improved varieties of seeds, planting material and mushroom spawn, etc. In addition to all these activities, the KVK provides first-hand information to the local farmers and handles the queries about the crops, insect pests and their management, weed management, etc. KVK staff also advocates and advises farmers and farm women regarding more viable agricultural-allied enterprises. Besides this, other activities like Kisan Melas, field days, demonstrations, exhibitions, publications, print and media coverage, radio and TV talk, surveys, awareness camps and meetings for speedy transfer of technology to the farmers are also organized. Thank you.